Okay, so the last videos for the experiment 6, we're gonna explain the tasks 3 and 4. So tasks 3 and 4, what you did is that you measure the cell potential for the concentration cell for the copper in task 3 and silver in task 4. Okay, but the data analysis for both of them is the same, except the unknown for the silver. Okay, so first what you need to do is that you fill out the table in the worksheet. You put it the observed cell potential, okay, and then also the concentration for the each cell. So you have the concentration for the copper and silver, 1 molar, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and 0.0001. And then you measure the cell potential between the 1 molar and the other diluted one. Okay, so you should have the cell potential E measured for the whole combination. Okay, and then so after that you need to, so the main purpose for this, you need to make the graph. Okay, so the graph is for the Nernst equation. So this one E cell, E naught cell minus, okay, 0.05916 over n, and then log of anode and cathode. Okay, and for the concentration cell, always cathode is a 1 molar. Okay, so the bottom one is here. The concentration for the cathode is 1. Okay, so for the copper, okay, so first what you need to do is that you're gonna make the graph between the E cell, that's your Y, okay, and then the X is your log of your anode, okay, the concentration, which is this, okay, so you need to do log of that concentration, that's gonna be your X, and the Y is your E observed, okay, and then after you plot that data, it's supposed to be give you the straight line, okay? And then if you use the E cell in millivolts, this one's supposed to be 59.16. That means your slope is gonna be 59.16. If you use it in volts, it's okay, either one, okay? So that slope is gonna be 0.05916. It's close, okay? And then the copper is you have a 2 electron, so it's gonna be half, okay? That's for the copper. And then for the slope, for silver, since silver has only 1 electron here, so the slope for silver, it should be close to 59.16, okay? So once you made the graph for the both copper and silver, I want you to compare your slope to this number, 59.16 on the half for the copper and 59.16 for the silver. And there's a 2 question, the worksheet, does the graph follow the Nernstian behavior or not? If your slope is close to those numbers, you can say yes, okay? If it doesn't close, you have to say no and think about what's the possible error that made your slope is lower or higher than these numbers, okay? So those are the questions. But that's all you have to do. And then additionally for silver, you need to determine the concentration of the unknown. What you need to do is that once you get the equation for this graph, okay, that's supposed to be E cell, E naught cell, this. You plug in the unknown cell potential into Y and solve for X. That X is log of unknown concentration. So you solve for unknown. Okay? That's all you have to do.